announcement and discuss video about Science 29-25 for summer 2022. Today is June 26th, and the course ends in 1 week from tomorrow. All right. So the end of the course is July 4th, and that will include, again, we have chapter quizzes, chapter 1 through 14 quizzes, both short, multiple choice and short answer, all now open. All right. Don't forget discussions. All right. An requirement there, I believe it's 8 and then 7 responses to other postings as far as that's concerned. All of those are now open. And the only thing, then there's a term paper. Short 3-page paper, topic, that is due by July 4th. And then the final exam, which is multiple choice. All right, you get 1 attempt, and that's open June 29 to July 4th. All right, so it's open. So it'll open on Wednesday. All right, and then for the term paper, all you need for APA format is just the references at the end. You don't need to do anything in the paper as far as that's concerned. I'll be updating grades after that, and the course will remain open until July 5th. So as far as access to what it is, I'll post that. So most of you doing pretty well up to now, right? There are no extensions as far as that's concerned, so keep in mind the closing time and dates for quizzes. So again, that's 29-25. You got about 8 days to complete the rest of the course, so shouldn't be too hard.